Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem using arrays. So let's not waste the time. I will write the problem statement. So user need to take the user input and user need to take an array of size n and user need to store those size n and user need to give n user inputs and store them in the array, and user need to take out odd numbers in that in that array in that array. So this is the problem statement. Take out the odd numbers and user need to print the odd numbers. So here we are having the odd numbers. So which means, for example, if we take n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5, and this 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this, output should be 1, 3, 5. So this is the output. This is the output. So I hope you understand. This is the output. You have to take out the odd numbers 1, 3, and 5. So you have to take out the odd numbers. You have to take out the odd numbers. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. Import java dot util dot star canvas is equal to new scanner system dot in int n is equal to sc dot next in, and so you have to take an array. You have to take an array new int of size n, and for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, and you have to give the user input inside the array. So array of I is equal to, so what should I, array of I is equal to sc dot next int. As you know, right? So to give input in the array, like each input, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I is equal to 0, I will give some input. When I is equal to 1, I will give to until n, I will give some inputs. So all these inputs stored in the I, right? So each I, I'm storing in the array variable. That's it, array variable. So here I will write another for loop which starts from 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. And here I will write condition if error of I, which means I'm seeing, or like I'm going to the ARR, like I'm showing all the way all the numbers, right? User inputs. I'm going into the ARR and I'm checking whether any number is odd number. So how can I check? I will go to the ARR of I. So ARR of I means when I is equal to 0, I will give 1. So that's why I'm writing I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 0, I will give 1. When I is equal to 1, I will give 2. When I is equal to 2, I will give 3. So based upon that, I'm having all the inputs in the error, right? All the inputs in the error. So I have to check error of I. That's why. So what should I write? If error of I mod 2 not equal to 0, then we have to return that number. So where that number stored? In the array of I. Array of I. Yeah. Array of I. So that's it, friends. I hope all the program is correct. So let us run this program. It's taking time. So there is no error. So let's give 5 and I'll give 5 inputs. So what should be the output? 1, 3 and 5. See 1, 3 and 5. So I hope you understand how to get the odd numbers in the array. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.